Hello friends, in this video I showed you how can you use a MoneyMax app and how can you pay your interest money on mobile. Okay, let's see. I show you friends. First friends, you download a MoneyMax app. When you open this app, so this interface open ready. So here I have two options, sign in and register. Click here register. And you see here friends, here you need writing your all detail. First your name and next you writing email ID. Downside you choose Singapore or Malaysia. Okay, so I select here Singapore and next you writing your mobile number and click here confirm. So friends, when you register, then after you receive one email, that email inside have your password. So okay friends, now I log in MoneyMax app. User ID my email ID and password same I use which password I receive in email. That password I writing here and click here sign in. When you click here sign in, then you receive an OTP. Which email you register with MoneyMax app, that email you receive an OTP. That OTP you writing here and click here proceed. Okay friends, so when you first time log in this app, so which password you receive in your email, that password you writing here and here you writing new password. So any password you can choose and downside again re-enter your password and click here change. So friends, when I click here change, so again this interface open ready. Here I writing again my email ID and my new password and click here sign in. So again friends, I receive an OTP in my email. That OTP writing here and click here proceed. Now friends, MoneyMax app open ready. You see here upset, click here. Which things you put in MoneyMax, you can see here all detail. All tickets you can see here. So if you want to pay interest money, just simply click here. And here you see option renew, click here. Click here. Proceed to pay. So friends, you can choose a pay now and Visa card and MasterCard. So I choose Visa card, so I click here Visa card and click here make payment. Here you need writing your MasterCard or Visa card all detail, your name and MasterCard or Visa card number and expiry month, expiry date and CVV code, and downside you writing your email ID. So okay friends, all detail I writing ready and click here pay now. And friends, you receive an OTP. Which number link in with your MasterCard or Visa card, that number you receive an OTP. That OTP you writing here and click here confirm. So my ticket interest money I pay ready. So you see here option ticket, click here. When you click here, then you receive your new ticket. So this new ticket you can download in your mobile. And when you next time take out your things in MoneyMax shop, so you show this ticket. So friends, you see very simple or easy you can pay your interest money use MoneyMax app. So friends, when you register your email ID, use this app. If you cannot register, you go any MoneyMax shop and you first register your email ID. When you register your email ID there, then after you receive one email, that email inside have your password. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.